What is up, Outlaw Garage family? Today we're gonna be doing another install for the OBS. I know yesterday's video was kind of weird, but anywho, I was been supposed to did this install. I actually unboxed it on Instagram. But here we go. Show you everything first. Brand new R1 Concept performance brake pads. They're not sponsoring anything like that. I do have a sponsorship going on with a certain website. I'll let you guys know about that in another video when I start getting stuff. But those are the brake pads. And oh Lord Jesus, these bitches is heavy. This one rotor, like it's probably about 50 pounds by itself. 50 or 30. It's got some weight to it, man. But they are drilled. They're not slotted. Good looking rotors. And hopefully this install will go extremely well. Let's go try it out. So first thing first, we're gonna jack the front of the video up, but we're gonna jack up the back of the not jack up the back. We're gonna put some the wheel chocks behind the back of the tire so it doesn't roll back on us. Also gonna set the emergency brake so we don't, you know, just in case. There's one chuck. Here's the second one. I'm gonna move this board because it's constantly falling on the truck. Okay, the first thing is first, like any old brake change, what you're gonna do is take off the caliper. When you pull the caliper off, this whole rotor hub assembly should come out as one. Size of this is a H38. It's a little Allen head screw. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and take this cap off that should expose everything that's holding it in there. I didn't record because I didn't know that the battery stopped recording, but I went around with my screwdriver and my, what size hammer? It's a cross pin hammer, which is not what this is for, but it had to do the job. And she's off. And here you see you got a cotton pin with all the grease and all the good stuff. Get the cotton pin out. Okay, with the cotton pin out the way, I got my axle nut socket. This is a 29, which is kind of small, and yeah, I didn't even apply any pressure and it's already coming off. It's weird. It's really fucking weird. I'm afraid I'm gonna see some messed up ball bearings now. Let's see what we get. There's one washer. still in pretty good shape. What else is in here? It's actually in good shape. Okay, so the second day, spindle, finna get ready to clean it. A bunch of this old grease off here. It's still in good shape. And they say it look almost factory, but shit, it is factory. Alright. The grease I went with is some Walmart Super Tech grease. It's purple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just throw some grease on here. I have paper towels. Yeah, just do this. Okay, don't forget to take off this back bearing and seal. I forgot to take it off this one. I just got a chance to. Before I do that, I'm finna take some. Oh, you guys almost fell down. I don't want that. But I'm finna take some more of this grease and just slap a goob of it in here. Alright, let's put it on the car. Now, after you put everything back together like I just did, go ahead and wipe everything down with towels and brake clean. Do not. Make sure you put this cap back on before you start spraying that brake clean, because I'm pretty sure it will eat that grease up. I went ahead and did the caliper because I'm finna paint it. I'm gonna do it black, I think. But I'm finna push that in, get the caliper painted black, then it's gonna be all put together. Then I got something else I need to do before I put the tires and everything back together. But let's go on to the next part. And there you have it. This side's all done. I still got some stuff I need to do inside here, but I gotta wait till that caliper dry. And yeah. So I'm gonna do the other side real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the brake caliper so I ain't gotta care about the other rotor that's on there. And, yeah. If anybody needs rotors in good condition, I'll send them to you. All you gotta do is pay shipping. Got both sides done, and I must say it looks oh so clean. But what I'm finna do now is pressure wash all this dirt out of here. This side isn't as bad as this side. Yeah, but I'm finna pressure wash all the dirt, get up under the frame, and try and get as much dirt out of here as I can, because every time I work on the bottom of it, I get dirt in my eye. And I also bought 2 more cans of this rubberized coating. So I'm gonna spray it off real good, let it dry, and I'll come back and hit it with this. I've been letting these warm up. I'll do that. So I'll see you guys in a second. But I got most of the dirt and the crap out of here. So while this is drying, before I come back and spray it, I'm gonna go ahead and bleed the brakes with the 1-man brake kit. So this is how mine set up. I got the magnet, since this is all metal, the magnet's sitting here and the bottle's sitting here. The hose is connected all the way to this. Now we gotta do step 5, which is pump the brakes 4 to 5 times. Let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anything happen? It is not going in the hose at all. It's just leaking out through there. It's got a good connection. So let's tighten this down a bit more. One turn. So let's do it all over again. Okay, my bleeder screws are all gunked up, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go buy some new ones, and I'll be right back. Okay, I replaced the bleeder screws. I had to go out and buy this pack because they didn't have like the certain one that I needed. It was all different. So I'm gonna put these screws somewhere I know that'll be safe. I gotta come back here and organize it in a second, but I'm gonna sit them right here. I forgot about this stuff. I have to spray this. What's this? A little plastic piece. And spray the arm. And what this do is just helps prevent it from rusting. I sprayed the truck bed with it, but I'm gonna go back and spray it over with truck bed coating. And I just finished spraying all the undercoating up under here, rubber coating. And that's the spot right there in that knuckle, but it'll be okay. Some spots are wet, some spots are dry already. Yeah, this is gonna be a good long video for you guys, but this be the end of this video. But I'm leaving the wheels and tires off because I got something else I need to do before I button all this up. Whatever you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for coming by. Come back again. I don't know. I got something to do to the Jaguar also. So go ahead and show you guys a little sneak peek if you made it this far. If you didn't, you will. See, this is why I can't drive it yet. I gotta do some cutting in here. Kinda scared too, but it gotta be done. But I'll see you guys next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead. See you later.